So as you can see, we're going through a rough bit of time, but if you're one of my low porosity girlies, stay tuned to see if this product is gonna work, hopefully. Pimps and Simps, it's me, LT, and welcome back to another video. Hi. So today I am trying out the JOZI curls collection. I believe Target's curly hair collection, or from what I've learned through the research. I'm gonna be doing a wash and go today on it, and I'm just really trying to get a new variety of products, you know, surfacing through my closet, because it's not good to have the same product. So I'm just trying to find some things, and I'm experimenting or whatever. I'm using the JOZI Curls Moisture Leave-In Conditioner, free from sulfates, colorants, and parabens, plus African extracts, baobab, moringa, and olive oil. I think that's how you say that. If not, I'm so sorry. It says how to use: apply a generous amount on clean, damp hair, gently massage from root to tip in maximum moisture. Do not rinse out. Style as desired. I use the lock method. I haven't been using the oil per se, but I always use a leave-in in a gel or a cream. So I picked up the curl butter that comes with it, but it looks kind of like you can just use these products by themselves. You don't have to use them together, and they're supposed to give you desired results. I am using the JOZI Curl Style Moisturizing Curl Butter, free from sulfates, colorants, and parabens, with African extracts, raw shea butter, honey bush, and marula oil. Let's just get into this wash and go, and let's see if she's gonna make the cut or not. So first impressions are that it is super moisturizing. It feels real like a water-based product, and it's giving me pretty defined curls to just be a leave-in. So we're gonna try the cream on top and see. Come back. This is what the hair is looking like. I will say it doesn't feel like it's gonna hold really well already. It's giving it's gonna be kind of frizzy sometime soon, but yes, yeah. But okay, now we're gonna do the rest. Okay, so I am done. These are the finished wet results. As you can see here, there is a lot of definition there. So we're gonna let it dry, see how it does. So I will come back a little bit later with the finished results. Okay, so I'm back. It's 3-4 hours later. This is what my hair is looking like. My hair is probably like 75% dry. This is usually like how it's gonna dry. If it's dry, the only like wet parts are like up here at the top. For the price of the products, I will say that it feels like it's gonna be a super light hold. Like I feel like this is probably only gonna last like maybe 2 days. I would probably use these products more so as like half up, half down, or if I'm like refreshing my hair or anything like that. But as a normal like go to day to day, probably not. And this is what the back looks like. It's not like bad or anything like that. It just isn't gonna give me the hold that I want, and I can already tell. As far as defining my hair and stuff goes, I feel like it did a pretty decent job, especially for the price. I've had products that cost a lot more and do a lot less. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. But with all that said, okay guys, bye.